Good morning. Welcome to the breakfast show, and this morning we'll be focusing on the US market. That's right, we will pick up two stocks that you could use for this week, and we also look back into last week. What was those stock pick that probably have done well or not done well? We will definitely review them. Let's get started. All right, and most of you know our SmartRobie app now has AI vision, and we are bringing you more quality stocks, and that's why you see fewer stocks than it is. Previously, before that, just use our Pentagon Guider so you can get the next trade idea with it. And of course, we also have the Sharia screening stock for our US, which is now available. Very good for our Muslim friends for that. And you can check our monthly return for our bots as well as our US side in here, and our monthly win rate. All right, back tested. And typically how you want to use SmartRobie is using the trade idea that you see here, or you want to analyze those stock idea, study the FA and also market today, and also look for the stock watch list, which is the Pentagon Guider in there. And you can also discover many other stocks through the more like this feature, where if you're just keying in Apple, then you can see there are other stocks which is done well. The way why we are doing this is that we want our user to move away from those popular stocks, which can sort of trap them into the kind of dismay return that we think other stocks can definitely offer you that, right? And this morning we'll be focusing on the US market, right? So let's get started, right? Pentagon Guider following the smart money. So our feature in here, so let me just bring out the copy SmartRobie here, and I'm going to bring out the trade here. So you can see from here we have the S&P 500 menu right here. This is the S&P. We have the Robie FA list, which is more for the beginner side, trending stocks. The Robie FA focus a lot on the fundamental stocks, okay? Then we have Pentagon Guider, and we have the premium intraday. Those are for the advanced user, but our usual, we will be focusing on our Pentagon. So this morning we'll be looking at the S&P 500, which actually look at last Friday anyway. So you can see from here, let's swing this chart back in, and you can see S&P has been in a sideways trend around the 7,004 mark here. Let me just touch it here on my screen, and yeah, it was up 0.7%, and it did turn red Pentagon back in June, and red Pentagon has been spot on. Some people say, why didn't it go up when we hit around 7,005? Because the volume did not make up for much of it, and we need to see volume. Volume has been pretty much stable from here onwards, so it does look like S&P 500 has been running sideways from some time. It did try to break lower here, but immediately the market reversed back. So that's what we see, and you can see from here Micron was down, this was down 5%. A lot of the big, let me just switch this back. A lot of the big semiconductors were down, and what was up was Amazon did show a better earnings through its growth in the cloud business in here, and also you have Beto, Intel. Apple was down because it did have a very good quarterly earnings, but the future forecast was not good. They did state that for the China growth it's somewhat muted, and that's why they took the hit right down there. Okay, so year to date S&P 500 is 9.2%. all right, 9.2%, and this is something you want to look at it on a daily basis, so you can see how this market is doing. Right. All right, now also the options that we have in our SmartRobie in here, the green one are the one that you see, right, which is US Today, Robie FA list. There's only 6 menu, so pretty easy to use. I think many of our SmartRobie here would know that. All right, but we want to go on to the Pentagon Guider, which is the flagship of our stock selection. So Pentagon Guider in here, and we actually used this spreadsheet here to show you some of the stocks that we have. So these are Pentagon Guider option, which you can drill down to the individual stock code, chart prices, but we generally look at the charts for this matter in here. All right, so let's take a look at a Pentagon Guider. all right, which actually look into the beginning of a stage 1. So Pentagon Guider alert. All right, let's take a look at it. I'm going to switch on to the zoom here. Right here you can see Pentagon Guider, and we have how many options? We have 4 here: Teradyne, Microsoft, Devon, and EOG. All right, so we have chosen 2 stocks. So those are the 2 stocks we'll be looking at, and this is the spreadsheet that I have. And if you look on the 3rd of August, we have Microsoft and EOG. Let me just build this up bigger in here. Right, Microsoft, which is rated 5 out of 8. Okay, 5 out of 8, and 1 out of EOG. I think EOG is also rated. Let's click on the EOG list here, and you go to Stock Fundamentals, and you get 5 out of 8. So that's rated very highly too. 5 out of 8 here. Okay, so that's 5 out of 8, and these are good fundamental stocks. Let's take a look at the chart wise. Stock chart, and I'm going to be looking at the year-to-date return is 38%, and 3 month is 7%. So click on that one, and we will rotate the chart here. You can see EOG, I believe, is an all energy player. So with the oil prices going, it did dip back lower, right? And when they tried to do the Iran war kind of deal, and the market drop, and then there's no deal, the market shot back up again, like what we see 31st July. So that's a green Pentagon. We'll see how well it fared from here. That was the first stock here, EOG. All right. Next, we'll be looking at Microsoft. So we look at Microsoft. We go scroll up again to our Pentagon Guider list, item number 3. Click that on that one, and we'll look at here. Now, interesting enough, if you look at the year-to-date, Microsoft is minus 1.7%, right? If you look at Amazon, and you just look at some of the Magnificent 7, like Meta. Let's look at Meta. What is the year-to-date return? You'll get some sort of feeling that, yeah, oh, even Meta is down minus 14.4%. I think Amazon done better, okay? Now, this year, the return for Magnificent 7 hasn't been that great. So hit this one here, and you can see 19%. So Meta as well as Microsoft has a bit of room to come up, but keep in mind Microsoft has done green Pentagon. If you type in Microsoft here, right, and you hit the chart, and you can see 3 months is 12%, so it's coming back. 1 month is 20%, because it was in the doldrum for some time, and this was the good reporting or good result that was reported, right? You can see Microsoft was pretty much around the 380, 390, and now it's gone up to 450 US dollar for that one, because of the good cloud earnings that it had. Okay, so it's a kind of mispricing, and the market did pick up from here and started to move up. So that's something we find it very, very good. So we shall see if this market have some more room to go up from here onwards. So those are the 2 stocks that I have selected for this week, Microsoft and EOG. Now let's also go back to something that we talked about last week. All right, last week we got CFG. All right, so I will use our premium subscription in here to look at CFG. So I'll just make it a bit bigger here. Last week CFG. Now CFG hit new high, which is here. Subsequently the market dropped out, so that will be considered as a loss, because it didn't go higher. Okay, for CFG here, Kim did a bit higher, but only 2.4%. All right, let's take a look at Kim, KIM, which is reality here. So it did hit on the 15th of July, so you can see from here they go up to here before the market turned down. And last week we saw also Dow Jones started down, and also on top of that S&P 500 has been sort of moving sideways in here. It's a lot of disruption, a lot of up and then down, a lot of up and then down here, what we have seen so far from the market. Okay, so it's not really a straightforward movement, and all depending on the market sentiment that we see so far. So those are the 2 stocks that we have seen last week, and also I've shared with you the 2 stocks we are looking at for this week is Microsoft and EOG, which will come back next week too. Of course, our unique proposition has always been Pentagon Guider, Green to buy, and Red Pink to sell. And find that watch list, yeah? Put into your watch list. You get be selected for that one. And also our SmartRobie, which still continue to hold up. No doubt. Let me just show you the more recent trade returns so far is around 35%. Okay, month of July was just minus 1% in here. I think we do have our first negative return for the month of July. I think July hasn't been that great. You could see we have 3 losses in a row. Net, App, Morgan Stanley, and also Pacific Gas Electric. Those are the 3 losses, and month of June was much better from that. And if you were to go down to our monthly return, you can see from here, July was a -1 return. All right, you can subscribe to this services. Not all month we make money. You can see all the history that we have here. Right, there will be some months you make, some months you don't, and that's the whole point of really trading about. Right. I think these are some of the results I've shared with you before. Why choose Copy SmartRobie? Because it is way you can follow professional algorithm trading, where before you risk real money, you build skill and confidence. That's a smart way to start. Okay, and here is the demo that you can see of the results. So I'll just pin up in there, and if you wish to subscribe to it, and I do think many of you are quite familiar with this, and going forward will be good results going ahead. All right, the history, check it out in there. And summary is mirror the Copy SmartRobie, and then you gain much more confidence in that. So that's all we have for this breakfast show. Join me again for this Wednesday live Facebook. I will talk more about how to trade forward using the latest technology like AI, and if you're in the midst of it, you will probably know that this is the way going forward. If you haven't been making great strides with it, the market, yes, no doubt is not doing fantastic well, but yet not performing, but you're still able to get that great return in here. All right, you can also sign up for our premium membership at our website, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all we have for this morning in here. I'll be back on Wednesday, and if you have any stocks that you want to ask me, put into the stock comment. I'll happy to help you there. So with that, I'll see you this coming Wednesday.